I just can't believe how amazing it is, and it really came true.
Well, the first time I saw it, I was really amazed because before I had never known that there was a playground here. And I think that a playground is an essential part of a school because all students should have one to let off steam and relax.
This playground is not only the cornerstone, but the heart and soul of a demonstration of student-led projects.
It was a process that involved the voices of our whole school.
It showcases the collaboration and teamwork among our students, emphasizing the ISB spirit in every aspect of the ISB community.
I was actually participated in the process of building the playground.
I helped contribute to making it last year, so it was really cool seeing something that I helped essentially make it onto the ISB campus.
They have worked tirelessly and wholeheartedly to ensure the development and success of this playground.
Firstly, the members of the design team worked with the admin staff to put their first creative ideas onto paper. Then they took a trip to other school playgrounds and also got input from all other students to improve on their ideas. It is important that us students get a chance to utilize the skills and experience that we picked up on. It was also a great way to see how much us students can achieve and a great way for all of us to contribute back to our community. And best of all, we now have a zip line.
Definitely the zip line.
Definitely the zip line because me and my friends really enjoy it. We line up and we take turns every single time.